In this lesson, we will discuss working with pictures. So by the end of this workshop, you will be able to use Windows Photos apps for cropping, rotating and deleting pictures, using filters and enhance option, adjusting the light, color and clarity in the picture, adjusting the vignette in the picture and fixing red eyes in the picture. I will try my best to make it as easy as possible. So here is some information. Windows Photo apps. Windows Photo app has become a complex app that offers a lot of editing and organizing tools for photos and videos. So what can you do with it? Open and view multiple photos, zoom, delete and rotate pictures, crop a photo, add it to your favorites, use image filters, add different effects. So when we will start, I will show you, this is just the slideshow. After that, we will do some practical work. So Windows Photo app, when you open Windows Photo app, this is what it looks like. You will see the picture you have selected, and here you can see different options. One by one, we will discuss all these options when we will do practical. And then this is the cropping picture. We have to use this symbol if you want to crop your pictures. So Windows Photo app allows you to crop pictures to the size you want. To crop pictures, you need to have the Windows Photo app open. Right now, what is the meaning of this? I will also explain to you when we will do our practical work. And then cropping pictures, see, these are, when we will click on the crop, you will see these circles. So with the help of these circles, we can crop our picture. Use this button to crop or rotate the photo. Pictures aspect ratio defines the shape of the displayed image, and I will also show you the aspect ratio. All these features we will discuss in our practical work. Rotate a picture, if you want to rotate, right, then you have to use this symbol. Similarly, when we will click on filter, then we can have different colors, right? Whatever color you like, you can click and choose your picture. That effect will apply, or that color will apply to your selected picture. The enhance tab, this is the enhance your photo, and then we will see the if what will enhance function do for us. And then when you will click on adjustments, in adjustment you can find out light, color, clarity, vignette, red eyes. Sometimes our eyes becomes red in the picture. How you have to remove that redness? You have to click on red eye option. I will show you. And then spot fix at the end. If you want to save your picture, then this is a save a copy, right? And here is the light color. So this line, with the help of this vertical line, we can increase or decrease the light, and I will also show you. So, and same thing for clarity and vignette effect and so on. Right here, these are the red eyes. So if you have a red eyes in your picture, then you have to click on red eye button. Only you have to click on your red eyes, these red eyes will remove. And then this is all about the written slideshow. Now we are going to start our practical work. So what you have to do, you have to click on the file folder. So see here, wherever you have saved your pictures, desktop or USB, right? I am going to open from the picture, so this one. And then in miscellaneous folder, when I will open it, you will see I have 4 pictures, right? So what you have to do, first of all, you have to select your picture. Suppose I have to work on this picture, then right click on your picture, right? And then here, sorry, when you will click on your picture, you will see a menu bar will open, and you have to select open with. open with, and the third option is photos. So it will open, this picture will open in Photos app where we will work, right? So this is the picture. So as I have mentioned earlier in my presentation, that when you will see first time your pictures, you will see all these icons here. We will discuss all these icons one by one, starting from this share option. If you want to share this picture to your friends, so just you have to click on this share option, right? Again a menu will open and it will show you where you have to share on your Facebook, Twitter. You have to mail to your friend, right? Copy file, whatever. So from this share option, you can send this picture, or you can share your picture with your friends. Then you can see on the right hand side at the top these three dots. If you will click on these three dots, again we have some more options here. I will show you the slideshow. What this slideshow will do for you, when you will click, right, whatever picture you have in that folder, it will come here. So see, we had only 4 pictures, so one by one all these 4 pictures will come here as a slideshow. How simple it is, right? And same thing you can do. See, this is the next button. Same thing you can do your own. This is the forward button, here is the reverse button. So we are working here, right? And I have also shown you, this is the crop button. If you want to crop, right, just you have to click on this button, and then you will see these 4 circles, right? This handle, this handle, and this handle. So what you have to do, press and hold your mouse, and then you can crop your picture. Suppose you want only this part. If you want to crop something from here, same thing you can do right from here. This is cropping. And this is the, when you will click on the crop and rotate, you will see 4 or 5 different options here. Here is the straightening option. What this function will do for you, you can see here it is 0 degree now, right? I will move this and you can observe the effects on this picture. So see, if I am moving on the right hand side, it is straightening, right? Angle will change. If I will go to the left hand side, the angle is changing. So whatever position you want, you can rotate by moving this line, straightening. And then this is the rotate button. If you will click here, see, it is rotating. Now the picture is rotating. This is the flip. What the flip function will do for us, it will flip the position. See, this girl will go there and this lady will come here. So when I will click here, see, it is flipping the position if you want. And this is the aspect ratio. Open this, right? These are the different wide screen. If you want a wide screen, then you can click here. Again, see, this is the original, this is the custom, this is the square. If you want to convert your photo in the square, it's up to you. And then here it is 7.5, 3.2, whatever you want. At the end, if you think I do not want my setting, so this is the undo all. Click here and this is the original photo. This is the back button. We can go from here, right? Again, we have the original screen here. So as I mentioned that you have to click on crop, right? When you will click crop, then you can have these features here. Same function you can do by open this arrow and the edit function. Click on edit, right? And then see, same features are here. Straightening, rotate, flip, right, aspect ratio. Now second is our filters. If I will click on the filters, then you will see we have different options here. In crop and rotate, we had different options. In filter, we have different menu. This is the enhance your photo. See, when I will click on this, now you will see the vertical bar is here. You can move this vertical bar. I am moving and you can observe the effect here, right? How your picture will enhance like this. You want your picture like this, right? So this is okay. This is called the filter intensity, what intensity you want. Now from here, this is our original, this is Sauna, Neo, and so on. Now what, select a filter, right? What you want, how you want to show your picture to your audience. You want to show like this, or black and white, or this, whatever effect you want, right? So I think we are okay with which one. Okay, this one is fine, right? So this is where we will get these features from the filters tab. Same thing, right? Just like in PowerPoint, we have different tabs. In Microsoft Word, we have different tabs. So these are the tabs. When I will click on this adjustment tabs, then you will see we have different option. Here is the light and color. Again, you can move. See, when I will move on the right hand side, the number is changing. And you can observe the effect on the picture. This is the light and this is the color, right? If I will open this light, then you can have four different options: shadows, highlight, exposure, contrast. So again, if we will move here, I am moving and you can see the effect on your picture. Exposure, right? How you want to give exposure to your picture, highlights, and then this is the shadow. Same thing for color. Open this and then we have warmth and tint. If I will move here, again see the color is changing. You can see this purple color. Now it is too dark. If I will move here, it's changing. Same thing for blue. So this is the tint and this is the warmth. How you want to show your pictures to your audience. This is for clarity, right? And this is the vision. After this, when everything is done, if you want to save, here is the plus and minus. It means this is zoom in, zoom out, right? Again, if you want to crop some parts, go there and then we will do some cropping. And then here is the adjustments, right? If I will click here, suppose I will move this, here is the red eye. Sometimes our eyes become red in the picture. So what you have to do, only you have to click on this red eye, right? And see, now we have this circle. Suppose this girl has a red eye, only you have to click one time here. This is your practical work you have to do. Find out a picture in which you have a red eye and click here, so it will disappear. Now how to get rid of this ball? Just click one more time here. And then is the spot fix. Now what it will do, for this is very nice feature, is spot fix. Suppose if we do not want S here or V here, so what it will do, click here. Again, this is the circle, bring this here, just click one time, see, it's gone. If you do not want this V as well, right, so we can click 2 or 3 times because it does not fit in the circle. How easy it is. When everything is done, then you can save your picture. So this is a save a copy. Click here, right? It is saving a copy. Then I will show you in my folder. We have 2 copies. Initially we had only this picture. Now we had the modified copy as well. See, this is the modified copy. So how easy it is working with the pictures or the photos apps. So I hope that everything is clear. Please practice it. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson and thank you.